katabi ko yung mom ni Eileen Gu. Eileen Gu is an Olympic gold medalist for skiing. Katabi ko yung mommy niya, si Yang. Tapos yung isang katabi ko is an agent. And then we were just talking. Tapos sabi niya, wait, you need to know this. Tapos sinabi niya yung history. In 1969, Neil Armstrong landed on the moon. And he said, yes, the US conquered the moon, but the Philippines conquered the universe. And memorize niya yung line na yun. This girl is British. You know, I'm talking to the mom of Eileen Gu, and it was so relevant in our conversation. So I felt so proud that my mom was part of history. And she was like, and it was the Philippines that she was representing. So laging yun yung pinagmamalaki ko. Hindi ko yun, I never turn my back when people introduce me as the daughter of Miss Universe, because I'm saying, yeah, I really came from that.
Ako, very proud ako every time I get to represent the Philippines in yung mga international, mga junket. Halimbawa, nag-interview ng mga Hollywood celebrities. Nakaka-proud kasi, you know, nandun ka at kaya mong makipagkwentuhan, kaya mong interview sa mga global stars.
Yes,
no?
Tama.
So, it's a different kind of experience na lalo na pag nalaman nila, oh, you're Filipino. Yan ang mga things na I look forward to. No? Kasi dala mo yung Pilipinas.
Yes.
You know? Wherever you go, proud na proud ka talaga. And tama yung sinabi mo rin na, Alex, na wherever you go, may Pinoy na magsasabi na, oy, may friend ako. And yung kindness nun will rub off naman sa'yo.
Yeah.
Ikaw yung gagawing, target ng kanilang kindness dahil naging mabait ang isang Pinoy sa kanila.